Alrighty, here we are. We've got our California king snake here. His name's Bang Bang, and we're going to give him a little bit of a go on some chicken here. It's a little bit of an experiment, see how he goes. Now, some species of snakes, you can't get them to actually eat certain things, but if you can wean them onto chicken, it can save you a lot of dramas. Hopefully this guy is tasting it. Oh, he looks tasty. Oh, there we go. He's onto it. So, of course, most of our snakes eat avids, so they love birds, and this chicken will be a pretty good supplement for him. It's got a fair bit of bone in it as well, so he's getting his lot of calcium, and it looks like he's going to enjoy that thoroughly. So some species of snake, particularly with king cobras for example, or other reptiles that are reptile specialists, if you can wean them onto things like rodents or chicken when they're younger, as soon as possible, then they're much easier to feed, of course, and it's much harder to come by snakes and other reptiles to feed your snakes as well. I know there are a lot of people that do feed their snakes. Some people get given when their snakes die, they'll freeze them and give them to someone who owns a king snake or a mulga snake or a king cobra or an indigo, whatever it may be. Yeah, much better if you can wean him onto chicken. So you can see he's thoroughly enjoying that. So you can see he's just working his jaws over that piece of chicken neck there. We've taken the skin off it as well to lower the fat content. And the snake's bottom jaw is actually not joined in the middle. The lower jaw in the middle at the front is actually split, and that enables them to swallow those large prey items. Some of the large pythons can swallow things 10 times the size of their heads. Now it'd be quite hard for him to breathe while he's swallowing a prey item like that, but they can actually stick their trachea out of the side of their mouth, and there's a little valve called a glottis, and he can breathe through that glottis while he's swallowing his prey. So Bang Bang here, one chicken neck, that'll do him for a week. It'll take him about 5 to 6 days to digest that. He's a non-venomous snake, so he's relying 100% on his stomach acids to digest that prey item, whereas venomous snakes will actually use the venom and the stomach acid as well, and they'll digest twice as quick. He's actually got one strand from the towel there. Just pull that out. So once he gets his jaws over that, then he'll use all of his muscles in his neck and the rest of his body to push that further down his throat. There he goes. You can see those independent bottom jaws moving now. Down the hatch. You can see that glottis there as well, his little windpipe. Now he's going to use the rest of his muscles to move that chicken neck down the rest of his body. Good boy, Bang Bang. You like that? That's a yes. Now you can see him getting into position, straightening out. Push that down further. How's that, Bang Bang? You don't mind the chicken, eh? Oh, well, there we go. There's King Snake versus KFC. Thanks for joining us here on Awesome Animals TV, guys. Share our videos if you like them. Stay wild, and I'll catch you next time.